You reap what you sow. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. You reap what you sow. By understanding the profound meaning behind this age-old proverb, we open ourselves up to a world of endless possibilities. Taking personal responsibility for our actions, decisions, and behaviors allows us to shape our own destiny and create a life filled with abundance and fulfillment. Every action we take plants a seed, and it is up to us to nurture and cultivate it. When we sow seeds of kindness, compassion, and love, we attract the same in return. When we sow seeds of hard work, dedication, and perseverance, we harvest success and achievement. However, if we sow seeds of negativity, laziness, and dishonesty, we can expect to reap dissatisfaction, failure, and despair. The choices we make today directly impact our tomorrow. By sowing positivity and productivity, we create a fertile ground for growth and prosperity. It may not always be easy, and there may be setbacks along the way. But by consistently planting the right seeds, we are bound to reap a bountiful harvest. So let us be mindful of our intentions and actions, for the seeds we sow today will determine the fruits we enjoy tomorrow. Remember, we hold the power to manifest our dreams and aspirations through the seeds we plant each day. Let's sow wisely with purpose and reap the rewards of a life well lived. You reap what you sow. It is a simple yet profound concept that holds true in every aspect of our lives. When we put in the effort and work hard towards our goals, we can expect to see positive results. The seeds of dedication and perseverance that we plant today will bear fruits of success and achievement in the future. By sowing seeds of kindness and compassion, we create a ripple effect that brings love and positivity into our lives and the lives of others. On the other hand, if we choose to sow seeds of negativity and dishonesty, we can only expect to reap dissatisfaction and failure. Our actions and choices have a direct impact on our future, and it is up to us to sow wisely. Though there may be challenges and setbacks along the way, by consistently planting the right seeds, we can create a fertile ground for growth and prosperity. So let us be mindful of our intentions and actions, for they shape our destiny. It is within our power to manifest our dreams and aspirations through the seeds we plant each day. Let's sow with purpose, sow with love, sow with determination, and in return, we will reap the rewards of a life well lived. You reap what you sow. This timeless truth reminds us that the outcomes we experience in life are a direct result of our choices and actions. When we sow seeds of honesty, integrity, and hard work, we can expect to reap rewards of trust, success, and fulfillment. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.